Hello? Yeah, it's me. You sound tired. I am. What happened? Nothing new, it's him again. Money? Sometimes the kids, sometimes, and the rest. Life. Just life. Remember when we had nothing, not even enough for rent, and he worked 2 jobs, never complained, never quit. Then why are you angry? Because he never listens, fair enough. Remember when your daughter was sick? He stayed awake 3 nights, I know. Remember when your son got in trouble? He blamed himself, I know that too. Then what's the problem? The problem is he still thinks he's 25. Still forgetting things, everything. Birthdays, anniversaries, my shopping list, my words. But not football, not golf, not his friends. Exactly. So leave him. Leave him after 30 years? Why not? Because when my father died, he never left my side. When we almost lost the house, he carried us through. When I thought nobody loved me anymore, he was still there. Then why are you still angry? Because he still leaves his socks everywhere. What can I do? I still love him. What can I do? I still need him. He drives me crazy every single day, and yet he's still the first person I look for when life gets hard. Maybe that's love. Maybe the biggest mystery is not him. Then who? Me? Why? Because after all these years, I still fall for the same man. What can I do? I still love him. What can I do? I still love him.